All right, guys, bit of an update for you. You see, we're in a new garage, and I finally moved into my place with Mia. So we're back in town, and I don't have much stuff here yet. Been pretty hectic trying to get ready for the drift event, hunting season, moving into the house, having actual bills to pay like a mortgage and stuff. But you guys will like the garage. Check this out. So kind of messy right now. Haven't really done much with it. Got the small toolbox over there. I'm not gonna say what that is yet. You'll have to wait to see. Carbon fiber hood we brought because that's my baby. And there she is. So if you guys look from back here, I'll try to back it up here. So right here is our roommate's spot. So that's one, and there's two. Well, I took all the shelving out that was under here. There was another row, and I cut it. Sorry about the boxes. Like I said, we just moved in. We took all that shelving out. So now what I do is the back bumper's up there for now because I put it on those little dollies in the back, and I can push the car over and pull Mia's car in right here. So the house does have technically a 3-car garage. And if I tried really hard, I could put another one up here sideways, like on the side of that post, not right here. Maybe the Pulsar would fit, but it'd be really tight. So today we are going to be installing our low origin, I gotta remember the exact name of these things. They're kind of like mirror winglets. And my friend Cabell has them on his Turbo 1UZ Cressida, and I love the way they look, and these are super cheap. So shout out to him and Low Origin for getting these here super fast, and I'm gonna throw them on. So pretty much all this is some ABS plastic and a sheet of double-sided tape, which, you know, super cheap, super simple stuff, but eventually when the car gets painted, I'd like to paint match these to it. But so yeah, you know, double-sided tape, just gonna throw them on, kind of a before and after look for you. Now this is gonna be a before. Just like that, it's all done. So as you can see, you know, just regular ABS plastic, nothing crazy right now. It does give the mirror a nice look. Of course, people like the stock Ganadors. The one thing I'm noticing is that I kind of messed up the adhesive down here at the bottom. So I might have to do some more double-sided 3M tape, but you know, I like it. Gives it kind of a different look from every RX-7 that has the tiny little cut mirrors that go right there that are super stupid and don't even work. And it makes the stock Ganador mirrors look pretty cool. So I'm gonna throw the other one on, and then I'll get a in-car view for you guys. You can see, you know, it doesn't really affect much. And so like I said, you know, it doesn't block any of it. Maybe a little bit if you start going down like that, but you know, nothing crazy. Yeah, I really like how it looks, and a nice part of this is that they have it recessed, so it actually goes up instead of just coming straight out and being in the way. But that's stock for comparison. It's a lot easier to see in the car. I don't think I'm doing it justice, but no, I really like the way it looks a lot. So I'm gonna throw on the other side, and then passenger side, just as easy, just as fast. I maybe spent 20 seconds between walking over here to put this one on. Throw this correct your fitment. Are you talking about me? Cause yeah, I need to correct this fitment. So we got that sticker on, and you know, it's all in the prep works. Make sure your surfaces are clean before you're throwing these stickers on, or they will end up like half of these cheaper stickers up here. But I like the way it looks a lot. Fits the car nicely. And you know, these kind of give it a mean look, and it doesn't even, it's so subtle at the same time. Oh man, I love the way that looks. So that's probably gonna be for this video, guys. I know it's not much, but super busy. I'm trying to put stuff out. I'm going to be doing more later. The Pulsar's gonna be another video. That thing needs some work. I lost most of my footage when I did the teardown. I'm not gonna get into that on this video. I'll save that for another one, but I'll be back soon. Thanks, guys.